Hi, this is Gauri. I'm from fourth year Industrial Design, National Institute of Design, Andhra Pradesh. This video is basically regarding our system thinking course. Mm, it's basically to put out whatever I've understood from the course. Um, yeah. So it was a 2 week course, and obviously we started with the most basic question, that is, what is a system? It's basically it's a system. I mean, it's a set of interconnected things working together towards a goal. And systems are made up of it's systems are very vast, and it's got a lot of small details and components and patterns in it. And these systems are basically made of subsystems, and they make up bigger mega systems, and there's a lots and lots of details in a system, and that which probably a lot of the times is overlooked. For example, um, our house is a system itself, and you as a person is the subsystem, and the neighborhood is the mega system. It's the most easiest example that you know made me really understand. So during the course, we actually tried to zoom into uh, a, each system that we were given to really understand all the small components and details and patterns that make up the whole system. So obviously, as humans, we really tend to look for patterns in everything, and every system has its own pattern. Um, yeah. Um, also so we notice something that's out of the system when there's a break in the pattern, and we try to find these breaks or faults, and we turn them into opportunities to actually better the whole system. Also, they're like a if you have always tried to work in a group for a system project, because when there are more people, there are more perspectives, and you can put them all together to actually find out better opportunities and things like that. Yeah, so from our assignments, basically, our first assignment was the food system at home. Um, and I actually noticed a lot of changes that I probably wouldn't have noticed unless the course was there. And how these changes, some are very specific to the pandemic, after the pandemic. And see how all the storing and washing and disposing has changed, and who are the people who are responsible for it. And we really looked into all of that. It looks really simple on the outside, but then it's actually when you go into it that you really understand how much work goes behind it, and who is the person responsible for it and all that. And obviously, to understand a system, you need quite some time, because you need to really get to the depth of it. That's why I feel like the second assignment, what it really taught me was you need time, and you need to really analyze each small detail of the system to actually understand it. So yeah, and the last system really um, taught us, I mean, taught me quite a few things. Like even the smallest, like for us, it was the IT lab that we chose, and how even a chair or the wiring or the cables or whatever is there in it plays a very important role in the system, as a part of the system. So on the whole, it was a really nice course. Um, but I feel like we need to be physically present to, go into more of the details to understand it. So that was the only problem that I faced. Otherwise, it was really fun in the course. Thank you.